The SQL sum function returns the total sum of a numeric number. The SQL sum syntax is select sum column name from table name. Here we have an ordered details table. To find the sum of all the quantity fields for the ordered detail table, we would write select sum quantity as total item or ordered from ordered details. SQL group by statement is an aggregate function of the need and added group by statement. The group by statement is used in a conjunction with a aggregate functions to group the result set by one or more columns. The SQL group by syntax is select column name aggregate function column name from table name where column name operate value group by column name. Here we have three tables: orders, shippers, and employees. In this example, we want to find the number of orders sent by each shipper. The SQL statement counts as orders grouped by shippers. We would write select shipper dot shipper name count order dot order ID as number of orders from orders. Left join shippers on orders dot shipper ID equal shippers dot shipper ID group by shipper name. Next example, we can also use the group by statement on more than one column like this. Select shippers dot shipper name employees dot last name count orders dot order ID as number of orders from orders inner join shippers on orders dot shipper ID equals shippers dot shipper ID inner join employees on orders dot employee ID equal employees dot employee ID group by shipper name last name. The SQL having clause was added to SQL because the where keyword could not be used with aggregate functions. The SQL having syntax is select column name aggregate function column name from table name where column name operator value group by column name having aggregate function column name operator value. Here we have two tables, orders and employees. In this example, we want to find any of the customers have a total order or less than 2,000. To find if any of the employees has registered more than 10 orders, we would use this SQL statement. Select employees dot last name count orders dot order ID as number of orders from orders inner join employees on orders dot employee ID equal employees dot employee ID group by last name having count orders dot order ID greater than 10. If we want to find if the employees that Vovia or Fuller have more than 25 orders, we can add an ordinary where clause to SQL statement. Select employees dot last name count orders dot order ID as number of orders from orders inner join employees on orders dot employee ID equal employees dot employee ID where last name equal Davolio or last name equal Fuller group by last name having count orders dot order ID greater than 25. The end. Thank you.